In this video, we're going to build an interactive activity. We're going to have students drag these equations to the appropriate location, and Smart Notebook will identify the drag and drop as either correct or incorrect. Notice I have shapes that I have given text to. These shapes are merged with the text boxes, so they're grouped together. And we're going to have students drag these to the appropriate location, and it's going to tell us whether the student did this correctly or not. So the first thing we would like to do is send the image to the back. So we go to Order, Send to Back. The purpose for this is so that we can see the text instead of the text going behind the image. And now we would like to turn these images into containers. So I've highlighted it. I'm going over to the puzzle piece. This is where we build an activity. So I've clicked on Activity Builder and Edit. Now we're going to drag the equations here that would be considered accepted objects. I'm going to take the check out of Auto Hide so that this stays visible. And I'm going to drag the equations which are linear here. When I see the green plus, I let go. And now we see a green checkbox here, letting us know that Smart has now associated 2x plus 1 with the linear image. I will drag y equals 6 squared. And I'm going to say in the reject these, I'm going to add all of the remaining. Notice it'll reject this image, so this cannot be put in here. Everything that's non-linear will not be accepted in here. Now we can go to the settings, and we can say what do we want it to do with the linear equation when it accepts it. Do we want it to fade out of the screen? Do we want it to spin? Do we want it to snap to the center or fly off screen? I'm going to choose spin. And I'm going to repeat the same thing for the nonlinear. I'm going to go back to Edit in my puzzle piece. The nonlinear, I'm going to drag the equations which should be accepted. Oh, that one didn't get accepted for some reason. Let's try it again. Drag it into here. See the green plus, let go. And we have our checkbox. Good. And I'm going to say everything else put into the reject and done. So now we have an interactive smart activity. So now we can test this out. When I pull linear, see how it spins. If I bring a non-linear here, watch what happens. It sends it back. It won't accept it. When I bring the non-linear here, I left it on fade out, so it disappears. If I bring a linear here, it spits it back. The non-linear fades out. And that's our activity.